Menteri Rangba ka jela Conrad K Sangma menta kasngi ulawan ban sakhi ya ka jingrakhe ya ka 12 National Handloom Day arachar arphunriu kabala penlong da katana textile jong sarkar jela Meghalaya ha integrated textile tourism complex hanongpo ka jingrakhe ya kani kasngi ka long shibenta ban ai ka jingyaro bat penslur ya ki nong thanjan ki batre sitom ban ri bat sumar ban penne pensa ya ka culture ha ka rukom thanten rai jong ka jela kabala penhiar pateng nadu ki longshwa manshwa ha kane kasngi la sakhilang ro ya ka jingya don rangkat menteri katna textile uba medba lengdo Meral Bonds MLA kanongpo Karona Khamde MDC Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed Chief Secretary, Frederick Kharkongor Principal Secretary, Dr. Abhishek Saini Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoi District, Giri Prasad Superintendent of Police ka DP Tariang District Handloom Officer Ribhoi, rangkat kiwi deki officer ha kane kasngi Menteri Rangba ula pliru ya kayo peninam jonggi nong thanjan nagi benta bapher jong ka jella kabala peni ya ka rukom than but ki martan rai bapher ula pliru ya ka Center of Excellence na ka benta ka kam than jing than shu ki khun samla ka jella kala peni ya ka jingdai riam na ki jain rindia da ka peni ya ka jinglong itanat bat ka jingla ban pen kelai ya ki jain tan rai sakariam kabala ban kring ya ka yew ha ka juk ka banta na ki
These designs and the textile that we see behind us, it's not just a piece of cloth. It is our identity. And that is what makes it special. And that is why, for us as a government, it's not about just looking at our weavers, which is, of course, at the heart of what we're doing. But this is an investment. This is a celebration. This is another shout out to our identity, to our culture, and letting the people know, letting the country and the world know that this is Meghalaya, and that we are proud of who we are and what we are. It has been the endeavor of our government to ensure that identity, to ensure that our culture, to ensure that our language and our practices remain at the heart of what Meghalaya is and where Meghalaya is going. And never to forget the roots from where we have come. Because the world is moving too fast. Today, the mobile is taking over everything. And it is the easiest thing to forget our roots, forget who we are. Whether it is making both Khasi and Garo official languages, which for 54 years, Garo and Khasi were not official languages of our state. Our own mother tongue was never our own official language. English was the only official language. And of course, there's a reason for it. There are challenges. But as a government, it is crucial for us to take that stand, take the decision, said whatever the challenges, whatever the challenges that are there in front of us, we will ensure that we take the decision which will protect our people, our tradition, our language. And therefore, what we've been doing in the last 6 to 7 years has been beyond just livelihood, beyond just textiles, beyond just weaving. As I said, we are weaving our culture, we are protecting it, and that is how we are investing in our people.